Two ex-Coinbase staff have been arrested for fraud in the USA. The SEC have had them arrested because they, with a prior knowledge, insider dealing, bought tokens that they knew Coinbase was going to announce that they were listing. Are those tokens a security? Yes, say the SEC. So this is the real first time that they've come out and said a token is a security. What does it mean? It means that you've got potentially much more regulation in the US for tokens. Tokens are cryptocurrencies which are traded on the blockchain. Are they a security? Well, a security is defined according to the SEC as an enterprise where there is a potential profit. Okay, were these securities? Of course, if you buy stocks and shares, they're a security. It's got a different level of regulation. And it means that if these people bought, as they did, tokens or securities with prior knowledge, insider knowledge, that these tokens were going to be listed, then that is fraud. They made $1.5 million. Okay, it certainly seems that the SEC are determined to put cryptocurrencies, or part of cryptocurrencies, 9 they've listed as being securities in this particular action, as in the bracket of stocks and shares and indeed securities. Whereas Bitcoin has always been felt and said by the head of the SEC that it's a commodity. Different form of regulation. Going to be interesting to see what happens to Coinbase and whether that affects its share price. Going to be interesting to see what effect that has on exchanges in the US. Some people will prefer to actually trade on exchanges outside of the US. Why? Well, when you actually get increase in regulation, there's obviously some advantages, some extra security, some extra layers of protection, but also it means, of course, that you get further layers of costs and potentially more knowledge about what you're doing. If that's not a problem, then of course, then that's no issue. But some people prefer to actually have some privacy over their particular investments. Interesting situation. Watch this channel. I'll make sure I put out information that's going to affect investments in the market. Right now with this, you'd expect to see some controversy, some volatility over the weekend in all of the cryptocurrencies. Watch out for Coinbase, watch out for my YouTube channel. I'll make sure I'll get that information out to you as quickly as possible. Do you think that a token is a security? That's the question. Leave an answer below. I'll put out information on what's happening with the SEC and what you should do right now over the weekend. Expect some volatility and watch that Coinbase share go up and down over Friday.